Hey everyone, welcome back to Top 10 Best Amazon Review Products. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss any updates. Today, I've got something really exciting for you. Top 8 smartwatch Amazon gadgets and innovation videos like, we're going to unbox the latest gadget that's taking the tech world by storm, or I'll share my top 8 smartwatch. So let's start the video. Love this Alexa built-in smartwatch. It's sleek and stylish, perfect for both men and women. The call feature works seamlessly, making it easy to stay connected on the go. Fitness tracking is spot on, and Alexa integration adds a smart edge to my daily routine. Highly recommend for anyone looking for a versatile and fashionable smartwatch. The smartwatch fitness tracker is your ultimate health companion, seamlessly combining style with function. Track your heart rate in real time, monitor your workouts, and stay connected with notifications on the go. Its sleek design suits any occasion, while its intuitive interface makes it easy to stay on top of your fitness goals. Whether you're hitting the gym or attending meetings, this watch keeps you in sync with your health and life. The ZOSKVEE smartwatch is a stylish and versatile accessory for both men and women. It offers seamless call answering and making, ensuring you stay connected on the go. With a sleek design and intuitive interface, it's perfect for daily use. The watch also boasts impressive battery life and a range of health tracking features, ideal for those who value both functionality and style. The 1.91-inch smartwatch is a sleek and stylish wearable perfect for both men and women. Its vibrant display and user-friendly interface make it easy to navigate through apps and notifications. With fitness tracking, heart rate monitoring, and even call functionality, this smartwatch is your ideal daily companion. The long battery life ensures you stay connected all day without frequent charging. Elevate your lifestyle with this versatile and modern timepiece. Effortlessly, power up your ZOSKVEE smartwatch with this sleek, reliable charger. It's designed for fast charging and perfect compatibility, ensuring your watch is always ready to go. The compact, travel-friendly design makes it a must-have accessory. Durable and dependable, this charger is your ultimate companion for a seamless smartwatch experience. The smartwatch for women with Alexa built-in offers a perfect blend of style and functionality. Its 1.83-inch display is vibrant and easy to navigate, making it a chic accessory for any outfit. The ability to answer and make calls directly from the watch adds incredible convenience to your daily routine. With Alexa at your wrist, managing your schedule and setting reminders is effortless. Ideal for the modern woman who values both elegance and tech-savvy features. The Kummel smartwatch is a sleek and user-friendly timepiece that operates independently, requiring no app or phone connection. Perfect for those who value simplicity, it offers essential features like step counting and heart rate monitoring. Its long battery life ensures uninterrupted usage, while the stylish design suits any occasion. A smart choice for tech-savvy minimalists. The ZOSKVEE 1.85-inch HD smartwatch is a game-changer for both men and women. With its sleek design and crystal-clear display, staying connected has never been easier. You can answer and make calls directly from your wrist, ensuring you never miss a beat. The watch also offers a range of fitness and health tracking features, making it an all-in-one companion. Stylish, functional, and tech-savvy, this smartwatch is the perfect blend of form and function.